So far you have seen how to install Python and how to install VS Code in your device. Now in this video I will discuss how to set up the environment for writing the Python program. So firstly we will open the VS Code and then we will install the Python extension and Python debugger extension from the Microsoft. Let's quickly open the VS Code and make sure that you have created one empty folder before opening the VS Code. You need to open the newly created empty folder from the file, and here you can select the open folder option. Make sure that you have created an empty folder anywhere in your system, and in my case I have created a Python beginners course as an empty folder. Then I am opening it here, and on the left side you will see the extensions. Simply click on the extensions to install the two extensions. One is Python and Python debugger. Just search with the Python, and here all the extensions will be listed here. So if you see the very first one, Python extension from the Microsoft, then click on the install. So if you see here, so automatically it is installing the Python debugger also. And if you see here, even Python debugger also got installed, right? So this is how you can install the Python and Python debugger in your VS Code. In the next video, we will write a very first Python program.